Hey you guys, it's Molly. I am trying out Arteza Metallics today. So I'm doing an all metallic pour. I'm using Pearl Sea Green, Pearl Space Gray, Pearl Electric Blue, so they're all pearlescent colors, and Pearl Golden Hour. Whoops, you couldn't see any of those, huh? So those are my colors. Whoops. And I'm using Winsor & Newton for my white. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I've been doing a lot of larger pours, but I like to do my Dutch pour as my kind of tester for paints because I can do them on a smaller canvas, and I can also put the smaller canvases up in my Etsy store. It costs a lot of money to ship some of the bigger ones, so I saved those for my festivals. I'm just gonna blow this white out and I'll be right back. So this again is another color combination that I have never used before, but I really like the yellow and the, I think I'm gonna do this blue as my base color. Kind of the yellows and the grays and some softer colors. So it doesn't always have to be these like super bright colors. Okay, I think I'll go with my darker gray color next. That's a beautiful steel color. So this will be my first go round with these Arteza paints. I mean, with these metallic Artezas. So I'm super excited to see what they turn out like. Kind of think I might want a little bit more. I might have too much gray in there. I don't know. And then I'll let you guys see how it dries. Okay, here we go. All right. Wow, the cells. So that metallic color, I always try to see if I can zoom you in so that you can see what I'm talking about. Can you guys see all those cells that have started already? Wow, it's pretty cool. All right, let me get you back into focus and I will just blow this on out. So a lot of the gray showed up and a lot of my colors got lost up here. So if this happens to you, you can just make another puddle right here and blow those colors out further. So I think that's what I'm gonna do here because my white may have been a little bit thin. And that kind of swallowed up a lot of the colors that were there. So it's like all is not lost. All right, let me move my hair and blow this just a little bit. Gosh, this is beautiful in here. Again, not another color combination that I would normally go with, but it's reacting a bunch in here. It's a very soft palette. Okay, I think I'm just gonna kind of leave it be. I say that and then I blow. Yeah, this is very, very pretty. I'll take you guys down so you can see it. Definitely getting some crazy cell action here. Oh, was my hand in the way the whole time? All right, so let me see if I need to autofocus you or not. So the colors are kind of laying over top of each other. I like how the blue is kind of soft there. Got look a brain looking cell right there. And then here's more of the cell action up here. So where the white, where I blew over the white here, kind of lost all the colors, but then they came back as I got closer to the edge. So it's a lot softer. That gray took over a lot too, but I'm definitely learning every time I pour. So I know my light's in the way, but that's what it looks like. I actually really like it. It's just a very soft palette, something totally different for me. But for somebody's home that's in aquas and yellow, this is like perfect. And a ton of cell reaction right there in lacing. So I will see how this dries and I will show you guys. I like those cells right there too. I'll show you guys the final result on my social media and probably in my community tab as well. So you guys check out all my links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy painting. Bye.